Yo, what's good, bro? I hope you can hear me, but like I turned on my microphone and everything, so I guess you can hear me. I'll just start off with week 10, lecture 1, so what we did on Monday, right? So I'm gonna start off with that. So the question was asking in Mendel's genetic experiments, many characteristics of the plants were quantified, such as height, tall or short, their flower position, which is axial or terminal, seed color, which is colored or white, and so you get that point, right? So there's the three different like categories: so height, flower position, and seed color. So one, suppose there are a total of 100 plants, 35 are tall with axial flowers and colored seeds, right? My bad. Just give me a sec. And colored seeds, and suppose a total of 25 plants have white seeds, four of them being short and six having terminal flowers. So so the 25 white seeds have four of them are short and another six of them are terminal flowers. There are no short plants with terminal flowers, and total number of short plants is 25, right? So question, if a plant is randomly selected, find the probability a short plant with no white seeds is selected. So we start off with the first bit of information we have. So suppose there's a total of 100 plants, 35 are tall with axial flowers and colored seeds, right? So that's the first information that we have. So we would write tall and axial and colored, right? And that would be 35. He said, like the professor said, that you can either write it like this, like it intersects because they're all intersect at each other. So yeah, right? And the second information we have is suppose total of 25 plants have white seeds and four of them being short and six having terminal flowers. So for in this case, what we would write is 25 of them have white seeds, right? So white and short. That would be, so for white plants, we have 25 white and four of them are short. So that would be four. So white and short would be four, right? The white and short plants. And the second one would be, my bad for my handwriting, by the way. It would be six because it said right here, have six of them having terminal flowers, right? White and terminal, right? And I'm pretty sure it said the total of white plants too. So the total of white plants would be white would be 25, right? And the third bit of information we have is there are no short plants. So there's no short plants with terminal flowers, right? And total number of short plants is 25, right? So short and terminal, right? Intersect terminal would be 0. And total short, it said we have 25, right? 25 short plants. Total number of short plants is 25. So it would be 25. I'm pretty sure, right? Yeah, okay. So the question is asking if a plant is randomly selected, find the probability a short plant with no white seeds is selected. So we had to find probability of short plants but has no white seeds. So what we had to do is make a diagram. He said there's different ways to make it, but we at first we gotta start off with the diagram. We can start off with the big circle here. Another big circle here. Oh shoot! Let me just restart that. Oh shit! I fucked up. One sec. Okay. And I still gotta get used to this iPad. This is such a bad circle. Oh yeah, I need to make that again. Give me a sec. There you go. Yeah, that's 3 circles, right? Okay. So now what we do is we have to work with the middle, like these middle things first, right? So this we would put 3 intersections, so it would be short, white, and terminal. Because these are these ones are more like it's more mentioned, so it would be the intersection between short, white. Actually, sorry. I'll just put terminal into here because he wrote it like that, and white, right? And this would be, so now we had to work in the middle. So what intersects with short and terminal? Obviously, we know short and terminal is 0, right? And whatever is on the top, it has to be here. So whatever is on the top, it has to be in the 3 intersections as well. So this is 0, right? And unless if it's mentioned. So he said whatever is on top of here goes on the bottom of here. So yeah. Now we still gotta find these two. So that would be what's short and white. So short and white, right here, short and white, that would be 4, right? So 4 would go here. And white and terminal. So white and terminal, that would be 6, right? So 6 would be go here, right? And now, since we have all the middle parts in, we have one more value, which is this. So you ask what would we do with this one right here? We would make a box like this. Sorry, just give me a second. Okay, so that would be 35, right? And yeah, that's from here because it doesn't go inside the box; it goes outside. So that would be, yeah, the tall axle and colored seed. So this indicates tall axle colored, right? And as soon as just take a note that we had 100 plants from the start, right? So what's 100 minus 35? 100 minus 35 would be 65, right? I mean, my bad, sorry. One sec. 100 minus 35 would be 65, right? So all this together, like short, terminal, and white, all of them will be 65, right? That's what we know right now at the moment. But before that, we'll come back to that. Let's focus on short, white, and terminal first. So for short, it said the total we had was 25. However, since we had these middle intersections, we have to minus it, all of them. So this would be, let me zoom in a little bit more. So it would be 25 minus 4 from this part, minus 0 from this, minus 0 from this, and minus 6 from this. Oh, no. Wait. Oh, my bad. Wait. Sorry. I'm actually so sorry. It would be 25 minus 4 from this, and this. That's it. Not 6. Because 6 and terminal, it doesn't make sense, right? Because why would we subtract this part? Because it's only with white and terminal, right? So yeah, I'm sorry about that. So that would equal to 21, right? And for terminal would be the total. We don't have total terminal, so let's skip that. We have total white though, so that would be 25. Again, we should only work with this, not this. Not this, remember, not this when we're working for white, because this only indicates with short and terminal. So yeah, so what we would do is 25 minus 6 minus 4 minus 0. So that would equal to 15. Pretty sure, yeah. And now we have all like values for short, and we have all values for white right here, right? So now what we do is find terminal because we're missing terminal, right? So what we do is 100 minus 65. I mean, my bad. Oh, shit. Give me a sec. Sorry. I'm so sorry, bro. I'm not good at teaching. So we have 65. You know we have 65 because we did 100 minus 35. And all this together is going to be 65, right? So what we would do is we have to find a terminal, so we have to subtract all of these. You see these? So we got to subtract all of these to find terminal. So 65 minus 21, right? Let's do this. It's more easier. And 15, right? I'm just double checking if I'm right. Yeah, I'm right. Okay, so this would be 65 minus 46 equals 19, right? And yeah, so this is the terminal amount, right? And probably a short plant with no white seeds is selected. the question is asking probably a short with no white seeds. So how many short plants do we have? We have 21, right? So 21 divided by 100 equals 21%, right? 0.21. You can times that. You can times that by 0. You get 21%. And by the way, if there was a terminal and short, we would add that. I don't know why it says it. Give me a sec. I don't know why it says that. Oh, so he also mentioned the answer is 21, by the way, but he also mentioned that if there was, I think you were there in class when he said that, if we had a short and terminal, and if we had these two right here, like these two, we would add that. If because it's mentioning only short, how many find the probability of short plants with no white seeds. So it didn't say anything about terminal, but in this case there are no short and terminal plants because it's 0. So yeah. And I guess that's it. If you want to take a picture, you can take a screenshot from here like that. So this is what everything that we did. And I guess that's it.